Welcome to Principles of Accounting 1. I'm excited to be your instructor. I just wanted to do a quick video to welcome you to the class and to give you an overview of the course. So this is the home page. This has my contact information at the top. And then this, of course, the welcome video will be here. And then you have your textbook information, information about how this course works, and the first week announcements. So I will post each week's announcements on the home page. Once you've looked at the home page, I recommend that you check back here every week just to make sure you know what's due for the week. You can click on Get Started, and it's going to take you to the modules. And you will have to complete the online orientation module before you can move on to the next module. The next module is important course information. It has your textbook and software information, the class policies, your syllabus, which I highly recommend that you read that carefully, your semester calendar. You will need to print this off to keep up with your due dates. And then a few more things that will be helpful. You can refer to this at any time during the semester. Make sure that you view each page. You have to view each page before you can move on to the next module. And each module is broken into chapters. So here's chapter 1, and this is kind of the format that we will use. You'll have an overview, and then sometimes you'll have a discussion board, and then you will have some videos about the content and the lecture video. You'll have video quizzes, and then you'll have homework and the adaptive study plan. So this will be your first module as far as content. I wanted to show you one more thing. Under how-to videos and instructions, down here it's going to show you some links. The first link is how to disable your pop-ups. You'll need to do that in order to use Cengage. And then here is the instructions on how to register for Cengage. So you will have to do that before you can complete the homework. So this is pretty much a quick overview of the course, but please be sure to go through the module, the important course information module, and make sure that you read that information carefully. I'm not going to go through all of that. And my name is Miss Horn. If you need anything, feel free to contact me. And remember, my contact information is always on the home page. So I hope this helps you get started in the course. And I hope you have a great semester and a great first week.